So we are starting early today. It's supposed to be another 102 degrees here in Meridian, Mississippi. But normally when these things show up, your model number typically means something. And I'm mind blown by this. 22 ERAS. Like, I understand RK for rear kitchen, BH for bunkhouse, RL maybe for rear living, but I'm not sure. So we're gonna head over here and look at some of the numbers before we go inside. This is a new 2024 Forest River Wildwood, model number 22 ERAS. Let's look at some of the numbers. So total length of 28 feet 2 inches, dry weight of 6,521 pounds. You're going to be riding on 15-inch wheels with D-rated tires. You've got 1,126 pounds of available cargo capacity, and your gross vehicle weight rating is 7,685 pounds. And I'll leave the hitch weight about here in the video. The online specs show that its height is to be determined, but it's about the same size as some of the other Catalina models, which are right at 11 feet 2. So I always tell my customers to build at least a 12-foot opening for the camper to go through on something this size. It's going to be 96 inches wide and stabilized from 2 sets of these electric jacks. I'll show you this. And when it comes to setting this thing up, each one of your jacks will have its own switch located right next to the jack. These will only go down till they feel about so much pressure before they completely stop. Jacks, I'll show you the switches once we get around. That's your sewer connections, and look at the window. The window stops there, but they've added this little cool graphic on the front, giving it the appearance of it being a lot longer. We've outfitted this one with 2 air conditioners. The back one is a 15K, the front is a 13.5, and you also have the 200-watt solar panel. So this is the back. You got the on-demand water heater, so you're not going to run out. I think it's rated at 60K. Power connections for a 50-amp cord. It will come with a 25-foot cord. Blindside camera prep, and the ladder mount is going to be on the side of the RV over here. Rack and pinion slide. Let's come around to the campsite of the RV. 16-foot awning. I'll try to get it opened up, give you guys a good view of that. Outside speakers, TV connections. Tried to stay away from, that's Bob, that big old sun. But this is your storage compartment. So the new 24 Wildwoods are coming with this Versa tilt bed. So that's the mechanism and how it's installed on the new Wildwood brand dry erase board. I'm yet to have a customer tell me they use this for maybe making like some kind of checklist or something. Let me know if you've ever used that dry erase board for something. All right, so this is, when I went inside, I was kind of mind blown. It's just, I love it. But it's a rear kitchen, so what in the heck? Let's get you inside. Rear kitchen layout with 1 slide. I'm going to provide you with maybe an estimated here in your living room 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, maybe 9 feet of walking space. This is supposed to be your dining area with 2 sets of bar stools here. Your windows are trimmed out with gray roller shades, and as we go throughout the kitchen, if I happen to slam something, I do apologize. I have a terrible habit of doing that at home. My wife had the cabinets upgraded with slam resistant latches because I'm terrible in the morning or just in general coming through and just slamming things, so I do apologize if I do that. Your countertops are what I call a pressed membrane countertop. That's a hard heated plastic that is wrapped over this material. It does prevent any water from penetrating. And your faucet is a high-rise faucet here. And your cabinetry underneath. So your cabinet doors are not solid wood. This is more of a false wood. And these are pretty cool. Help us keep things organized. Let's get you spun around now and show you your entertainment. 2 theater seats, both of these do recline, and your slide box over here, by the way, is probably closer to 5'7", maybe 5'8". I like the way they try to put some engineering behind the door. Still a pocket door, but just cutting the edges off a little. This is your view from the 2 theater seats. I feel like we should shut this. But that will be the view with the door closed. You do have room to mount maybe upwards of a maybe 42-inch TV to this hidden pantry. I like how they've got a pantry that's sideways and you have a lip. Normally if you have the pantry on the front or back and you start or stop, it slings everything off. You also have a Furrion soundbar, and that's the all-electric fireplace. Those do produce right at 5,000 BTUs of heat, but your main source of heat is coming from the randomly placed floor vents throughout the floor. So speaking of cooling now, the RV is equipped with 2 air conditioners. Coleman Mach is the brand, and this is a 15K. You possibly could find some on the market that have a 13.5, and there's nothing in the bedroom, but we've gone ahead and outfitted this one with a 15K and a 13.5 in the bedroom. So your cooking appliances, Furrion brand, black all the way across the board. This is going to be your pantry. And I love the new material for the floors. Wildwood in the past have used like some linoleum. They've used a lot of carpet, so finally the carpet is gone. This is like a woven material. 11 cubic foot Furrion 12-volt fridge. Fridge is on the bottom, freezer's on the top. Anytime during the video, guys, if you like what you see, drop me a couple of thumbs up, or even leave a comment telling me what you like or dislike. And to view more additional photos and the price, which can be found at the link in the description of the video. If you happen to go to our website and this camper is no longer available or listed, my contact information is there. You can reach out to me and I can probably get this thing coming to you, and maybe even have it delivered to your location. All right, let's make our way up to the bathroom. Ceiling height in this tiny little couple's coach is 6'8". You're gonna have a lot of headroom once you're in the shower. This is a plastic foot flush toilet. You still have the same pressed membrane countertops, and that's your bathroom vanity, kind of an open look, and your medicine cabinet. That air conditioner is blowing, and that's just one. So this is going to be your controls for your Suburban on-demand water heater. So here's a little tip, a little advice. You can use it for what you like. If you are like me and you want your water to be at a constant 110 degrees, just turn this on, set it for 110. And whenever you're taking a shower, only turn on the hot water. So you know you're going to get that desired temperature all the time. If you decide that you're going to turn it on 130 and then turn the cold water on, you might experience fluctuation in your water temperature. So that's just a little advice. Overall, the bathroom's really nice. I like the pass through. A lot of customers don't seem to like it though, but I love it. So this is your bedroom. This is a custom king size bed. It's a 66 by 78. I think I misspoke in the beginning. I think I said it was a queen. You do have storage underneath. I like how they are able to incorporate the VersaTilt with the option of opening all of this up. That's nice. Your closets are on both sides, and each one of these will have 110 and 12 volt outlets. Panorama room this way. And your window treatments in here are different. This is a really thick curtain that once these are opened up all the way, it does provide you with a lot of natural sunlight. Look at that, that's awesome. Pretty cool view if maybe you're at a beach somewhere. Let me show you the Versa tilt. So the controls are right over here to the left. We're gonna hit up. Anyway, you get the idea, I guess. But it does go up quite far, but I guess the only downside to that is once you are in a position that maybe you're falling asleep, you're gonna have to get up or have somebody else lower you back down. I kind of wish they would just relocate all those controls in every Wildwood model next to the bed, or maybe even, I had a suggestion in one of my comments, someone said leave it on a remote. And that's the second 13.5 Coleman mock air conditioner for the bedroom. Now the MSRP, date and time of making the video, maybe you can pause it here. $49,376.85. For additional pictures, you can also check our website, which is found at the link down below. Drop me a couple of thumbs up. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Come see us.